how to add a pop-up size chart to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a size chart or a pop-up window or a page that will pop up into your Squarespace website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, choose the website that you have. As you can see, this is the list of the websites that I have. I'm going to click on go to website just like that, and we're going to be on the website dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to head over websites and we're going to click on pages. Once we have clicked on pages, we are going to be having a new page, which is going to be a blank page. I'm going to name it here size chart, just like that. And we're going to put it not on the main navigation, but on the not linked. I'm going to show you later why. So I'm going to click on edit here, and we're going to add a blank section. And from this blank section, I'm going to add a block. Supposedly, it is going to be an image. Now, I can go ahead and head over Google and type in size, for example, size chart tables. And we're going to have, for example, a size chart, for example, for whatever. I can go ahead and have here, for example, for free pick, this is going to be a size chart or whatever. Or we can go ahead and head over Canva and create a size chart. But the best one is going to be choosing, for example, AliExpress. And we're going basically here to head over the website just like that. And maybe the size or the shirt that I am going to use is for t-shirts, for shoes, whatever. I'm going to choose the type of the product. For example, let's say here shoes. I'm going to select shoes just like that. And any of the products that has been implemented into AliExpress is going to have a size chart. So let me choose one of these. So I'm going to select maybe this one. Let's navigate through the size chart of it. Let's choose this one. I don't know why it is appearing to set up the robots, because I'm not a robot, obviously. But let's head over here. I'm going to view more. This is the size chart. As you can see, I'm going to put a screenshot. And we're going to only select, I'm going to crop the image like that, have it just like this. I'm going to have it. The tool that I am using right now is going to be Yandex browser or the Yandex screenshot browser. I'm going to not copying it, but basically we can go ahead and have the screenshot again. I have made a mistake of copying it. I'm not going to copy, but basically I'm going to save it just like that. Boom. Click on save, and here you go. Now we are going to close these. We're going to be back on Squarespace, add block, image block. We're going to put it like this. Get it to the middle, upload a file, and you're going to, not this, but basically it is going to be an image. So where is it? Please let me see the file. So this is it. So this is the image. We're going to make it like that. Now I'm going to save, exit, head over the a product page, for example, or I'm going to head over the products and services, select one of the products, and we're going to be seamlessly adding a product. So we can go ahead and add, for example, a product. We can go ahead and add or have more information. Now, the description should be having the size chart just like that. Do not forget to set up the product name and description. And the only important part here is to have the size chart in the description and click on link, which is going to be a URL. Obviously, we're going to have it as the hidden, as you can see, like that. So we're going to open that in a new tab, just like this. And here you go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.